Hello everyone. In this video we are going to study about the tablet compression with the help of using of single stationary tablet press. So let's begin. Basically, single punch tablet press is also known as eccentric press or single stationary press is the simplest machine for tablet manufacturing. Single punch tablet, as the name implies, employ single set of stationary tooling, that is a die and a pair of upper and lower punches. Then the compression force on the die material is exerted only by the upper punch while the lower punch is static. Such action equivalent to hammering motion, and as a result the single punch press is referred to as stamping process. The single punch tablet press produces about 60 to 85 tablets per minute. Further, you can see here the diagrammatic representation as well as the instrument which is used for pressing or punching of tablet. This is single punch. You can see here a single upper punch, a single lower punch, and a single die cavity which helps in punching of a tablet. You can also see the hopper which is used to store the granular material. Then we also have ejection regulating screw and capacity regulating screw. Now let's talk about the various component or the functional part of a single punch tablet press. The first one, that is the hopper. This hopper is connected to the feed shoe and it is where the granule powder mixture are poured into prior to tableting or compression. The hopper can be filled manually or by using mechanical equipment during sequent tableting. Then the next what we have is die cavity. The die cavity is where the powder granules are compressed into the tablet. The die determines the diameter of the tablet, the size of the tablet, as well as to some extent the thickness of the tablet. Then the next is punches. This comprises of upper and lower punch, and they compress the powder into tablet of various shapes within the die. Then the next one, that is calm track. Calm track guides the position or movement of the punches. Then the next one, that is tablet adjuster. This is used to adjust the volume of powder to be compressed and so determine the weight of the tablet. The next what we have is ejection adjuster. This facilitates the ejection of tablet from the die cavity after compression. Then in the production of tablet using single punch, the upper punch compresses the powder into tablet while the lower punch ejects the tablet. Then talking about the sequence of event involved in formation of tablet. So basically it comprises of three stages. The first one is filling, then compression, and then ejection occurs. Now let's talk about one by one. The first one, filling. So in filling, position 1, the upper punch is raised and the lower punch drops to create a cavity in the die. Then position 2, the feed shoe moves over the die cavity and granule fall into the die cavity under the influence of gravity from the hopper. Then the next one, that is the second stage, compression. So in compression position 3, the feed shoe moves out of the way and the hopper punch decants to compress the granules powder mixture into tablet by progressive reduction of the porosity of the die content and forcing of the particle into close contact with one another. Then the next step, that is ejection, position 4. The upper punch retracts and the lower punch moves upward to eject the compressed tablet. The whole event repeats over and over again. Unit the feed material is exhausted. Then here you can see the diagrammatic representation of all those steps. Initially you can find out the upper punch has risen upward. Then in second one you can see the lower punch has fall down and the feed shoe has moved towards the die in order to fill the required material. Then again feed shoe it's moved apart, and whatever the die is there, that has been filled with the powder and granule. Then your upper punch has dropped down in order to compress the tablet. Then in next step you can see the upper punch has raised up as well as the lower punch has raised up, uh, ejecting the tablet that is formed. Then the next one, that is advantages of single punch tablet press. The first one, the single punch structure is rational and small. Then the second one, it is easy to operate and it operates as a high utilization ratio. Then the next one, it is ideal for development of tablets and small batch production. And last one, that is single punch tablet press utilizes the high amount of pressure to reduce weight variation between tablet while maintaining a low noise level at the same time. So that's all about single punch tablet machine. Thank you everyone.